Yo, good morning everybody, this is Cliff with Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Odessa, Florida, doing my routine customer cleaning over here at this big house. You guys probably see me do it a few times behind me. We come here every 3 months, basically, you know what I'm saying, tighten it up for them, get rid of the cobwebs, all the dust, dirt, whatever's on his walls. This house is pretty new. It's almost a year old and I've washed it 3 or 4 times already. So today I'm out here with Steve. We're doing this routine cleaning. Today I'm doing some, also he got some oil spots. He got some oil spots in his driveway. I'm taking care of those. I got some degreaser down on the ground right now. And it's already coming out pretty good. So he got a couple random spots. Got some over here. I'm using the Stampede Plus from Pressure Washer Products with Lois Smith. I've yet to use any other degreaser so far. I've had this 5-gallon one for a while, so it's been working pretty good, so that's why I'm sticking with it for now. But yeah, so that's the project right now. And after this, we got another big project we're doing at the HOA Community. We'll be doing the front entrance and also some sidewalks in there. All right, let's get to work. Alright, so we had this degreaser down here for about 15 minutes. And all the stain's pretty much gone. We're just gonna rinse it off. Yeah, and see what we get. Go ahead. No. Spider webs, spider eggs. Stay away from me. All right, guys, we got the front done. Now we're working in the back side. Knock it out so we can head to the next job. Beautiful day out here today. Nice weather. Good day for pressure washing. Guys, we all done here with this job. Took us about, we got here at 8:30, so it's 11, so 2.5 hours. We got them looking good. We'll be back here again another 3 months, man. So we're gonna grab some lunch and go tackle this little HOA community. See y'all there. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back here at this HOA community. We're doing the front sidewalks, the entrances, and also some vinyl fence cleaning for them. I got Steve with me. Knock this one out, you know what I'm saying, real quick. You know what I'm saying, get him some content for his website, and also, you know what I'm saying, his social media marketing. But yeah, this is what we're doing here. I got Steve over there starting the front end. I'm probably gonna have to use some F9 bark over here on this fence because of the rust from this sprinklers. But the rest of this got algae on it, which ain't nothing that bad. But I'm set up over there. I got about 200 feet of line all the way over here to the front. I'm gonna start from this side, knock this out, get all this surface cleaned up, and I'm gonna do the curbs with my turbo nozzle over here, and we'll be good to go. They don't have any water here, so we may have to stop and go get water, maybe like 2 times to finish this job. So let's get this show on the road. As you see, using the F9 bark, takes this irrigation rust right off. So pretty much got done with the surface cleaning we were doing earlier. Right now we're just going throughout the small little community. They got some rust stains from the sprinkler system on the fences. So we're just hitting different spots. Did you spray this over here?
Yeah. You see it?
Yeah. So I got, oh shit, I almost fell in the hole. Yeah, hold on, don't do that one yet. So I got Steve ahead of me, just spraying them down, getting these right off, applying it. As you can tell, it's fading away. Might have to hit it again. Good product right here, man. Good product. It just disappears. All right, we're done for the day. project came out good. You know, it was nice to have a little commercial, you know, a little commercial job, HOA. I got this job through the president of the HOA. You know, I put a quote in. Last time I put a quote in here was about, I want to say almost a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago. They went with somebody else, and they, you know, this year they called me and asked me to put another bid in, and they accepted my bid. So that was pretty cool. I had Steve with me, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Steve with Aquanomics Power Wash. Y'all go follow him on Instagram at Aquanomics PW. He just getting started. Matter of fact, he's still here. Let me show y'all that boy trailer. Steve done came up, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the trailer. Give me 1 second. Let me show y'all. See that boy, man. Hustling hard out here, man. Aquanomics Power Wash. You see it. You see it. Yeah. Yeah, my boy Steve. Man, Steve, man, go and show him what you got back here, man. Show him the boat, man.
You want to drive the boat?
Nah, man, you got it.
All right. So, this is my 8 GPM pressure washer.
Yeah.
It's Honda, baby. The best of the best. We got a 275-gallon tank.
Yeah.
We got a 17-gallon fuel tank over here.
Ooh, she's shiny.
17 gallons. We got the battery. You know, I like to keep my stuff organized here.
That boy clean.
Got my pressure washer, my surface cleaner there, my signs.
Let's go and show him the side.
Alright. Where's Magic's at?
She got up in here, Steve.
Alright, so I got 400 feet of hose for pressure washing.
Way too much damn hose.
I know it is, man. Hey, we ain't gotta worry about that. I got, what I say, 200? 100.
No, you got 200.
200?
Yeah.
200 feet of hose for soft washing. I have 150 hose of water. I got my SH right here. I got a 55-gallon drum for SH. I got my products for, you know, rust, all that kind of good stuff. I got my soap. I got an extra pressure washer right here.
Yeah, that's the old faithful right there.
Yep, this is where I started. And that's it, man.
Man, congratulations, my man. Y'all been seeing this man working out with me, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate you always coming through. You know what I'm saying? Now you got your own rig. Now we just gotta get this man some jobs, man. That's it. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next video.